Hello and welcome to the March 2024 Raptor update. In this month's update, we've released significant upgrades to the Batch Dashboard. If you don't use the Batch Raptor Dashboard, then these changes would not apply to you. If you do use Batch Raptor, we've made significant updates for speed and usability. Let's take a look at these changes. First, we've revised the Batch Dashboard so it has a single work queue. Let's take a look at how this works. In the existing dashboard, there was a good bit of navigation involved because the highest level showed your batches, but in order to get to the transcripts, you had to actually drill down into a batch. So in the new dashboard, we've compressed the view into a single work queue. All your batches will be here together in a single queue. You can move to the front of the queue, or you can move to the end of the queue by jumping to the end. You can also sort by the date. If you're looking for a specific batch, you can search for a particular index to narrow down to just the transcripts in that batch. You'll notice when the dashboard loads, we've automatically defaulted to waiting for review and under review so that you're only presented with those transcripts that are waiting for your attention. The next thing you'll notice in the new dashboard is enhanced filter and search capabilities. In the existing dashboard, we did have some search and filter capabilities, but they were somewhat limited. So in the new dashboard, you'll see right here in the header, search capabilities and filtering on certain criteria. Let's look at these. So you have the search capability here. So for example, I can search for a particular student. You can search by any criteria, including school name and batch name and other characteristics. You can filter by the status of the transcript. The default will be waiting for review and under review. You can filter by the document type, high school or university. You can filter by the source, so if you're working on Slate or Parchment or other kinds of batches. And you can filter by tags. New dashboard is tuned for speed. On the existing dashboard, there was some lag in moving between the batches and between the transcripts. We've done some database tuning on the new dashboard so that as you move through it, it should respond more rapidly. You'll see a detail side panel on the new dashboard. So on the existing dashboard, to get to a details page, you had to actually click and open to a new page. Whereas on the new dashboard, to get to the details, simply click this icon here, and you can get to the details for any transcript. You can view the data, and you can take special actions such as ignoring or exception or changing the document type. You'll see a column here to view or hide the index file if it's a Parchment batch. To open the transcript, you actually click on the button. This will launch the transcript. The Raptor interface itself has not changed, but there's been some updates to the navigational header. You can go to the next available transcript or go back to the queue if you're working in the Raptor embedded mode. If you're in the embedded Raptor mode, you'll also see some updates to this pop-up window. You can change the document type directly here, as well as add tags and change the status of the transcript. So in the new dashboard, you can change the document type directly on the queue itself, as well as making that change in the details panel. So overall, we're excited about these updates with the goal of increasing speed and usability. These updates will be live in March 2024.